How to remove note on Facebook profile. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to remove a note from your Facebook profile. Notes are short posts where you can share your thoughts and ideas on various topics. However, there may be times when you want to delete a note, whether it was posted by mistake or is no longer relevant. Removing a note is quick and easy. Here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook mobile app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Now, tap the menu located at the bottom right of the screen. On the menu page, tap on your name at the top left corner and you'll see your profile picture and any notes you have posted. Now, select the note you want to delete and two options will appear: replace note and delete note. Choose delete note if you want to remove it. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete the note. To confirm, tap delete again. And that's it. The note has been successfully removed from your Facebook profile. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.